everyone, and welcome to your 2024 birth chart placements in the earth signs. So please remember that earth signs would be Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is going to have your planets, your other signs, and your houses. All right. And please remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Please take only what resonates and leave the rest for another person to claim. So with that being said, let's get started. So we're going to start with all the earth signs together as a collective. So let's go with the Sun. Fool card. The Fool card tells me that you all have a new beginning. All right. Moon card. The Nine of Swords. This tells me I need to let go of mental conflict that no longer serves you, and remember that you are a boss. I'm also getting for Mercury, you may feel a little bit of hanged man energy, sometimes not sure what to say or act or respond in a situation. So then we've got Mars, and that's going to be the Ten of Swords in reverse. So not walking away from situations, but needing to know when to walk away from a situation that no longer serves you. All right. Then we've got Jupiter, which is the Four of Pentacles in reverse. And that tells me that there is a lack of give and take in situations around you. And that's what you're searching for. You give too much in situations, or sometimes you don't give enough. All right. The Nine of Wands in Venus in reverse is telling me that you're not really feeling very independent, and you're going to seek more independence in situations. Saturn is the Ace of Cups, which is telling me definitely new forms of emotion available for you. Uranus is telling me a little bit of offers. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be in love. It could be with yourself, right? Neptune is telling me the Empress in reverse. So Neptune is telling me a little bit that you may not be sure on what you want in the world right now, okay? And Pluto in reverse is telling me a little bit of lack of strength and needing to find strength in the situations around you. Okay, so now we have Taurus messages. So 10 of Pentacles in reverse, that's telling me you have a little bit of a lack of a stability in situations around you, especially in your placements that would have Taurus. All right. Virgo, I'm seeing a lack of rest is what I'm seeing. Restlessness. Okay, so that's what I'm feeling for you. And then finally Capricorn, Ace of Wands. So definitely a little bit of a new spark of an idea for you. All right. And then your collective message for the planets, message is release what doesn't work for you. Let go, let God, move on. All right. So next we have the other placements. So we have Lilith, all right, the High Priestess in reverse. So there's something you're not listening to from your higher self that you're not seeing clearly. Eros is to do with love, a lack of renewal in something. The Sun sign in reverse for Psyche, okay, definitely not seeing something. The Eight of Wands in Sappho, which is funny. I see a lot of player energy playing the field. All right, the Seven of Swords in reverse for Part of Fortune is a little bit of unlucky communication. All right, North Node in the King of Pentacles. That's definitely, if you have a North Node in the Earth signs, that's telling me you're standing in your power and leaning into your North Node. Your South Node, needing to release what doesn't work for you, so walking away from your South Node and heading towards your North Node. Four of Swords in your rising, all right, so definitely something to do with communication is very important if you have Earth in your rising. Three of Pentacles in your midpoint, so building. Strength in your Juno, needing to have strength. And then Five of Swords in your midhaven, and I just see a pattern of the swords. So if you have air or earth, it's very important placements for you. So Ceres, so Ace of Pentacles in reverse, so definitely a lack of building on something new there in the department. Vertex is the Six of Swords, so we've got now a connection between the 4, 5, and 6. Chiron is the Magician in reverse, so definitely not manifesting something. And then Vesta is Devil energy, which is also telling me that there might be some toxic energy that you need to release. Okay, so next we have Taurus. You have the Lover, so something to do with a emotional connection. Virgo, you have the Eight of Cups in reverse, so needing to work on something in an emotional standpoint. And Capricorn, you have the Queen of Swords in reverse, so definitely not seeing something clearly or needing to cut something off that doesn't work for you. And then all of you have the Queen of Cups in reverse, which is needing to work on something that brings you emotional happiness, abundance, whatever, enjoyment, whatever you want to call it. All right, so next we have is the houses. So now we have house 1, needing to take responsibility. House 2, there's a breakthrough with the 4 of Cups in reverse. House 1 was 7 of Swords. House 3 is the High Priestess in reverse, not seeing something clearly. House 4 is the Page of Cups in reverse, so definitely some emotional vulnerability. House 5 is the Hangman, is leaving stagnation with your relationships. House 7 is definitely seeing something triumph. House 8 is the Lovers, all right. House 9 is financial recovery. House 10 is a little bit of injustice. Okay, house 11, I see this more as player energy, but changes. And house 12 is a little bit of the unknown, all right? So next we have Taurus, a need for control, working on your finances, equal give and take. Virgo, a little bit of lack of self-discipline with the Knight of Wands in reverse. And Capricorn, King of Cups, innovation, kindness, and wisdom is kind of what I'm seeing. And then all together, you have stalemate, difficult choices, stuck in the middle with the 2 of Swords. So a little bit of conflict with the houses, obviously. Thank you so much. Bye.